Hello everyone, welcome again. This is AutoCAD. Now open CAD program and make the following settings: limits, millimeter, precision, 0 decimal places, length type decimal. Now let's open AutoCAD. Don't forget to subscribe if you find this video very important. Subscribe please. This is a young channel. Let's grow this channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Now go to format, then unit. Now here we shall have to set 0 precision. Now we pick millimeter. Okay. Now we already done precision 0 decimal place. Now insert the following properties: edge, line weight 0.8. Now we go to format, okay, layers, click on new. Now we rename this layer edge, and we move to line weight. Now we give it 0.8 millimeter. Okay, new. This edge we rename it diamond. Now it has a line weight of 0.20, so 0.2 millimeter. See, diamond 0.2 millimeter. Now draw a figure appears on the line layer named edge, and it should be turned into isometric view. Now you have to change it to isometric view, that is at 3D. Now let me open my program. Go to views, not layer. Now let's pick edges. Edge as our current layer. Let me go to view tab. Now 3D. I move down to SE isometric to turn it to 3D. Now you see it has turned into, yes. Now let's look at the measurement. So from here to there, that is 90 millimeter. Now let me pick a line. Command. Make sure you turn on F8, that is ortho mode. Now I have to zoom. Right click, zoom, extend. Now to reduce it, to zoom, to reduce that line. Okay, now from here to there is 70. Now 40. So when we minus 40 from 70, it means 30. 30 divided by 2, 15. 15. Okay, let me now pick a line. So I'll measure that 15. So I will type that on the command line, 15. That will be 20, 40, then press enter. 20, press enter. 15, press enter. 90, press enter. That one is 70, press enter. Let me move it there. Okay, now this line from that point is 90. So it means the other line and from the other point, they are all equal. So let me draw it. The measurement of 90. Now deactivate F8. Press F8 to deactivate the ortho mode. Make sure it is straight. Now I'll type 90 millimeter, then press enter. Let me repeat the line. This is the same measurement, it's still 90. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel so that more this video may grow. Let me delete that, not straight. I will type 90 in the command line, then press enter. Now I have also to have a straight line from that point. So if you are using a tracking, you press F3 to activate tracking line. It will enable you to have straight lines. So from that point to that point is still 15, and that point to that point is 20. Okay, that is still 90. I'll type 90 millimeter and then press enter. Remember, our measurements are in millimeter. Now that one is 20, 40, type 40, enter, type 20, enter, that is 15, enter, type 90, then press enter, that one is still 70. Now I have to join the other line to the lower part. So measurement will be 90, still the same measurement. Okay, let me pick. Okay, deactivate F8. You only activate F8 to that is auto mode, to have a straight horizontal or vertical lines, so you obtain straight lines. Now here, let me deactivate, but I'll use the tracking, polar tracking. Now let me join these lines. They're still 90. I'll just type 90, then press enter in the command line. So if you want to zoom in to reduce that figure to level you want it, you just right click, then zoom, extend, then zoom. Then now you try to move your middle button, that is wheel button. You zoom in, it will reduce the object. Now we have a circle there. We have a circle of 35 radius. Now I'll pick a circle, then locate the midpoint. Then I'll draw that circle. That will be 35. Now let me begin with 15. That one is 15, radius 15. Now I have to pick another circle. It will be a radius of 35. Now I drew that line to enable us to locate the midpoint. Now let me drop that line. I have to obtain that line from the other side, so I will copy, then move those circles, a copy of those circles below, so that I may be able to come up with the other line, the tangent line. So I will click on it, then copy, then I will pick up move command from the other side, then I will right click, then click, you drag it down like that. Now I'll pick a line, and make sure you activate all tool settings, draft settings, or snaps. You can just type on command line or snaps, then you make sure that all are activated. So I will pick a line from the tangent, then join the lower part. You see now so the measurement is there still 90. I'll type 90, then press enter. Now let me pick trim command, trim. You click, okay, you pick trim, then you right click, pick trim, click on trim, right click, then left click. So you trim the parts you do not want. Okay, let me remove those lines, they're not necessary, I've already used them. So you make sure you erase them, you right click just to delete them, or you can cut. But any line or angle, attach it to the edge, you can use trim will be able. Now for this case, the lower part I will use trim to remove some parts. So I'll click on, I'll pick a trim command, then right click, then left click on the lines you want to remove. Left click, you see. Okay, now I have to remove the other lines. I still use trim enables me, but now the other line, this line, I just right click, then erase direct. Okay, I have this line here. I will still use trim to cut the other. Let me erase this part. That one I'll still erase. Just click on the line, right click, erase. But this part you have to trim. Let me pick a trim command, right click, then left click. No, I should have right clicked first. Pick trim command, right click, then left click. And this part I'll just remove. Now I have to come up with the measures. Now there I will have to go on dimension, then pick linear for straight lines, then leader for angles. Now let me pick linear, go to dimension tab, pick linear, then I'll click on that point, then move. So I will click on the drawn line, then go to styles, click on modify text. I want to make it more visible, then I will increase to 5. Okay, close. You see now it is visible, so it means that measurement is accurate, 90 millimeter. Now this one I love to use aligned used for slant edges. Now use that one, click from the point, then move. You see measurement is still 90, it means it's still accurate. From that part to that, I'll use linear. Remember, this is AutoCAD Module 2 practical. So this is NEC 2017 past paper. If you are a student, this is for you. This is how you answer those practical questions, especially on drawing diagrams on Diploma Module 2. So for radius, I'll use leader. Go to dimension, pick leader, not radius, use leader. Right click, and this one will pop up, then type 15. Okay, so you can also use oblique. Oblique is used just to adjust those, to make sure it adjusts. That one is 35. So oblique is used to adjust those measurements. Now you have to print this one in either in isometric view, and also there is a plan view. So this, you just go to view, 3D view, there is a plan view and isometric SE.